Hello everyone and welcome back to Health and Beauty channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to keep your skin looking youthful, 8 bad habits to avoid. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. You've tried every beauty tip in the book. You wash your face before night, apply anti-aging lotion to every wrinkle, and switch skincare products so frequently that you think you know every brand by heart. However, the unfortunate reality is that nothing works. Would you go to extreme lengths to restore your skin's smoothness, softness, and radiance by undergoing expensive medical procedures? What if the issue is the way you've been treating your skin? You're probably not aware of the awful skincare habits you've developed over time. Now let's figure out what you've been doing wrong, beginning with number 1. Using facial scrubs too frequently. Facial scrubs are great for exfoliating and cleansing the face. It helps remove dead, flaky skin cells, revealing healthier, smoother skin underneath. But how often should you use facial scrubs, and how can you prevent excessive exfoliation? The secret to effective exfoliation depends on assessing the type of skin you have. That's 3 times a week for normal to combination skin, 5 times a week for oily skin, and once or twice a week for sensitive skin. Dr. Aaron Tabor, an expert on anti-aging, recommends using chemical-based face scrubs that will help you remove debris from your pores instead of scrubs that can harm the upper layer of the epidermis. Also, avoid using facial cleansers that contain pulverized seeds or shells because their sharp edges might damage the skin. If you find that your skin feels lustrous, taut, and tingling, and notice symptoms like flaking, dryness, stinging, and redness, you'll know you're doing it too much and need to lessen your frequency. Number 2. Believing anti-wrinkle creams are enough. While anti-aging lotions can help your skin look younger by minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, they can't completely erase them. Unfortunately, the only way to completely remove wrinkles is to see a plastic surgeon. According to dermatologist Robin Ashenoff, MD of Hackensack University Medical Center, prevention is still the best therapy for skin aging. So instead of treatments, be proactive in keeping wrinkles at bay for as long as possible by hydrating your skin daily and staying out of direct sunlight. It may be challenging though, so make it a habit to apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day before leaving the house. And yes, even if you're not heading out to the beach. Number 3. Using a towel to dry your face after washing. You do need to dry your face after washing, but you may be doing it wrong by rubbing your face with a dry towel. This can cause skin damage, aggravate and inflame your pore zits, allowing germs to penetrate deeply into your pores. So it's best that you avoid this. Instead, pat your face dry with a towel, then allow it to air dry. Use a separate towel solely for your face, preferably made of organic cotton, and remember to replace it frequently. Avoid using the bathroom or kitchen towel that's closest to you. Why? Dr. Susan Whittier, the director of the Clinical Microbiology Lab at the Columbia University Medical Center, explains that moist and damp towels are MRSA breeding grounds. MRSA, or methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, is an infection caused by staph bacteria, according to the Mayo Clinic. Therefore, you'll be facing a greater problem than just pimples and acne if you don't change your face towel often. 4. Going to bed with your hair down. Because of pollution, hair contains grease and dirt that can affect the skin in your face. It also contains natural oils and chemicals from the shampoo, conditioner, and treatments you use daily. When this potent concoction comes into contact with your skin, it may cause an outbreak. The solution is simple. Sleep with your hair secured so that it doesn't cover your face. Avoid using elastic bands on your hair though, since they may cause damage. Instead, tie it up in a loose ponytail with a scrunchie. Alternatively, you can wear a silk scarf over your hair if you find this more comfortable. It may take some getting used to, but it will be well worth it. If you're enjoying this video, I have more health and beauty tips coming up. But before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section. Number 5. Never bothering to change out your pillow and cover. Yes, Your pillow and pillowcase can contribute to pimples and what is known as acne mechanica. It's a type of acne that occurs due to friction and pressure by material or objects coming into contact with your skin. Dr. David E. Banks, the director and founder of the Center for Dermatology, Cosmetic, and Laser Surgery, states, "This problem can be solved by constantly changing your pillowcases, at the very least once a week, or better yet, every 2 to 3 days. It doesn't matter if your pillowcase is made of cotton, silk, or satin, grime, filth, and sweat can accumulate on it if it's not washed and replaced regularly. So do yourself a favor and only keep clean pillows and pillowcases near your face." Number 6. Ignoring clay masks. One of the most underappreciated skincare products are clay masks. Although it can feel heavy against your skin, it has many advantages. Dermatologist Dr. Edward Ted Lane of Austin, Texas, claims that the clay masks have astringent and anti-inflammatory characteristics that might lessen redness, irritation, and blemishes. It can help make your skin tighter to reduce acne, refine pores, decrease eye bags and puffiness, and detoxify pollutants. There are several clay masks for various skin types. Kaolin clay, the mildest of all the clays, is safe for use on normal skin types. If you have sensitive skin, use rose clay because it keeps your skin moisturized and absorbs oil and debris. And for oily skin, use French green clay to soak up extra oil and make the skin look clear and healthy. Number 7. Not eating meals that promote healthy skin. Eating healthy meals is the natural way to attain beautiful and healthy skin and avoiding possibly unsafe drugs. It's not only good for your skin, but it's also good for your holistic health. Here are some foods to add to your grocery list to help you decide what to eat. Dark chocolate thickens and moisturizes the skin while also functioning as a sunscreen. Tomatoes and apricots protect you from the sun's harmful UV rays while also giving you a light tan. And eating carrots and peaches regularly can replace sunbathing. Broccoli helps reduce skin redness and edema after sun exposure. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish aids in the maintenance of skin moisture and elasticity. Soy also increases skin elasticity, keeping it smooth and healthy. And eating red and yellow bell peppers can help you keep your skin healthy and strong. Number 8. Hiding your issues rather than addressing them. The first step to moving forward is acceptance. Instead of hiding your skin issues by applying concealers, you should probably visit a doctor who can help you. They are the best people to talk to and advise on the best skincare procedures and practices suited specifically for you. Do you already practice any of these tips on the list? Which one are you excited to try? Tell us all about it in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to click like and share this video with your friends. If you learned something new from our channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when our new videos are released. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.